Hello everyone. Okay, you're welcome to Olympiad Mathematics. This is 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 30. Okay, one of my learners told me that when you add this up, it should give 6 to the power of x. But that is not correct because if you add this, what you have is 2 of 3 to the power of x and is equal to 30. Now, what do I have to do? I have to remove this 2, so I divide it by itself, and it has to reflect on the other side. 3 to the power of x will now be equal to 30 divided by 2 is 15. Okay, now if you look at this, our target should have been making sure that we have the same base, but we can't have the same base in this case, meaning that we'll have to take the log of both sides. But before we do that, let's see how far we can break this. 15 is 3 times 5. Okay, so this is how far we can go before taking the log of both sides. Take the log, right? We'll take the log. We'll take the log of both. Take the log of both sides. So we now have 3 to the power of x is equal to 3. Okay, I'm to take the log, right? So we have log 3 to the power of x equal to the log of 3 multiplied by 5. So that if we proceed now, this power will go behind, so we have x log 3 to be equal to the log of 3 times 5. And again, this is x log 3 to be equal to the log of 3 plus the log of 5. Now I did this because of this multiplication, we are to add the two logs. Remember that the log of a multiplied by b is the same thing as log a plus the log of b, and that is what I just did over here. So the next point is that we need to remove log 3 from here. To do that, we'll divide it by itself. Then here we have log 3. We divide it by log 3 again. And then we have plus log 5 divided by log 3. Remember that this can go, and that was the reason, so that x will be alone here. Then this will go there again one time. Then we have log 5 over log 3. Now, guess what I'm going to do? Our x is equal to 1 plus log 5 to base 3. This becomes the value of x. And if you are wondering what I have done right here, it is called change of base. And I'll let you know when this can be applied. We apply change of base when both of them have the same log, have the same base, log 5 to base 10, log 3 to base 10. So if you apply change of base, it means that this 3 here, okay, this 3 here becomes the base to the 5, just like I have over there. Now let's verify what we have done very quickly. Okay, so here we are, the verification stage. The verification stage, right? And we have our x to be 1 plus log 5 to base 3. Remember the equation is 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 30. And we know that our x is the whole of this now. So let's put it into the equation. 1 plus log 5 to base 3 plus 3 again to the power of 1 plus log 5 to base 3. Remember, what we are doing is to make sure we have 30. Because if we have 30, then the left hand side and the right hand side will be equal and balanced. Now we have 3 to the power of 1, that is 3, plus, here we have, okay, let me do something right away. This is 3 to the power of 1 multiply by 3 again to the power of log 5 to base 3. Okay, because since we are multiplying, pick one of the bases and we add the powers. Plus, open bracket again, 3 to the power of 1 times the same thing, 3 to the power of log 5 to base 3. Now, we're going to apply this law, and I expect you to know it, that a to the power of log b to base a, it is equal to b. Okay, so if this is true, then we can work on what we have right here. So that 3 to the power of 1 will give 3, then multiply by this, and these are the same, so only 5 remains there. Plus, remember, whatever is here is going to be here, so we have 3 times 5 again. Close it. 3 times 5 will give us 15. Plus, here we have 3 times 5 again, another 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. Okay, I hope you know that. And if you can remember, the equation is 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 30. As a matter of fact, this means that 3 to the power of x is equal to 15. 3 to the power of x is 15. Okay, and 15 in two places is 30. Very simple. If you have not shared this video, please share it so that your friends and the students around you can always get it. Thank you for watching.